Today, we face a common dilemma in the tech world: how to find the perfect balance between mobility and performance in a device that's designed for professionals. As workers' demands increase and deadlines become tighter, there's a pressing need for a laptop that not only keeps up but exceeds expectations. This is particularly evident in fields like 3D modeling, video editing, and data science, where computational power and efficiency make all the difference. One device that stands out in this regard is the Lenovo ThinkPad P16s Gen 4 mobile workstation, boasting cutting-edge technology and innovative features that make it an attractive option for anyone seeking uncompromising performance. First, let's delve into what we're getting here. The ThinkPad P16s Gen 4 is powered by an AMD Ryzen AI PRO 350 processor, offering AI-enhanced performance and efficiency. The system's also equipped with 32 gigabytes of high-speed DDR5 memory, ensuring seamless multitasking and fast data access. Additionally, it's got a 1 terabyte solid-state drive, which provides exceptional storage capacity and lightning-fast read and write speeds. This powerful combination ensures seamless performance, minimizing time spent waiting for tasks to complete and maximizing productivity. In terms of display, the ThinkPad P16s Gen 4 boasts a stunning 16-inch 4K Dolby Vision OLED touchscreen, boasting vibrant colors and a wide 100% DCI P3 color gamut. This high-resolution display not only provides crisp image quality, but also offers touch functionality, making it perfect for detailed work and presentations. The bezels are also slimmer than ever, resulting in a more immersive experience and a smaller overall footprint. Now, let's talk about the design and build quality. The ThinkPad P16s Gen 4 is an exercise in minimalism, with a focus on precision and functionality. The chassis is crafted from premium materials and features an aluminum lid, which not only looks great, but also provides a level of durability that can withstand the rigors of frequent travel. Weighing just 3.9 pounds, this device is surprisingly light, making it an excellent choice for professionals who need to be on the move. Furthermore, the keyboard is designed for comfort and ergonomics, featuring a spill-resistant design and excellent key travel. One notable feature that sets the ThinkPad P16s Gen 4 apart from the competition is its Wi-Fi 7 connectivity. Offering speeds of up to 30 gigabits per second, this next-generation wireless technology ensures rapid data transfer and seamless connectivity. Additionally, the system features a reliable and fast SSD storage, which provides a boost in overall system performance. But how does this powerhouse perform in real-world scenarios? Let's see how it handles some demanding tasks. With its AI-enhanced processor, the ThinkPad P16s Gen 4 excelled in tasks like video encoding, image processing, and data analysis. Even the most memory-intensive programs ran smoothly, thanks to the generous 32 gigabytes of RAM. In one test, we rendered a project in just 10 minutes, which is a significant improvement over comparable devices. However, we noticed some thermal management issues when pushing the system to its limits, which resulted in some minor heat buildup. Additionally, battery life could be better, particularly when running demanding apps or engaging in resource-intensive activities. Still, considering the performance and productivity gains, these trade-offs seem relatively minor. Another area worth discussing is the device's durability and longevity. With a 1-year carry-in Lenovo warranty included, professionals can have peace of mind knowing that their investment is protected for at least a year. It's also worth noting that owners can register their computer with Lenovo to add up to 5 years of coverage, which extends the warranty and provides additional security. Compared to competing options, the Lenovo ThinkPad P16s Gen 4 holds its own against the likes of the Dell XPS 15 and the HP ZBook 15. While the XPS 15 is an excellent all-around device, it can't quite match the ThinkPad's level of performance and AI-enhanced capability. The HP ZBook 15, on the other hand, is a serious player in the workstation space, but its price and weight make it less suitable for professional on-the-go applications. In conclusion, The Lenovo ThinkPad P16s Gen 4 mobile workstation is an exceptional device that ticks all the right boxes. Its cutting-edge technology, stunning display, and durable design make it an attractive option for professionals seeking uncompromising performance. While there are some minor trade-offs to consider, the overall package is well worth the investment. If you're seeking a device that will revolutionize your workflow and elevate your productivity, look no further. The Lenovo ThinkPad P16s Gen 4 is a worthy investment for any professional, offering a seamless blend of mobility, performance, and innovation. To get your hands on this powerhouse, simply visit our website or visit a nearby Lenovo retailer to purchase today.